I'm Jim Clune. I'm from Binghamton, New York. I'm in Pax Christi and Peace Action and Veterans for Peace. Several of us that wear different hats, different groups that we're involved in. We're here representing Pax Christi. We want to address the fact that clergy going to the base here where weaponized drones are piloted is a contradiction in terms of calling this a Christian endeavor, and indeed whether it's called a human endeavor. What my mind is on this morning is recently I've been involved in a project of reading Mark Twain's War Prayer. And Mark Twain saw what happened with Americans during the Spanish-American War, and how they basically went berserk in the Philippines, and tried to tell people about that in what he wrote. It didn't get published until after his death. But when you look for victory, there are consequences, and there are consequences not just consequences to everybody, particularly those whom we fight against, those whom we kill, those whom we make refugee. We are living in a time of total war, of endless wars. That is not a human way to be. That is not a Christian way to be. That's not a spiritual way to be. It's something that we have the option of being different. And I sincerely know that, believe that, not just believe it, I know that we can be different. And we're here to plead for that.